Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Yamaha Roadstar Silverado. This bike is in beautiful shape, only 1,468 miles. Comes standard with the windscreen, floorboards, leather luggage, Yamaha backrest, studded seats, and white wall tires. It's a 1,670cc V-twin, air-cooled, classic style bike. Electric start, it's got a fuel gauge, fuel injection too, so it runs great whether you're in the mountains or you're cruising around town. Beautiful blue metallic in color, only $74.99. Come by, check it out. This bike is in fantastic condition and very low mileage. It's got a belt drive system, so real easy to maintain. You don't get your back wheel all dirty with chain lube. 2008 Yamaha Roadstar Silverado, 1,670cc, just $74.99. Right here at Contra Costa Powersports. Come by, check it out, take a test drive, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Thank you.